Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your ChatGPT plan. Now once you're in ChatGPT, you will see multiple places where you can choose to upgrade. On the lower left hand side you'll find upgrade button, and on the top center you will see get plus. I'm going to choose this option. Once I click on that, it's going to take me over to the recommended plans for me, and actually the only available plans, right? This is the personal and this is the business, so you have different plans available. I'm going to stay to the personal side. Now this is showing my current plan. I'm on the free, and also they have the plus and the pro. Let's say I want to take the plus. All I have to do is click on get plus. It's going to take me over to a page where I can go ahead and fill in my details to check out. As you can see, the total price per month, and you will see that I can pay by card or by PayPal. Whichever option you choose, you will be able to fill in the necessary details. Once you fill it in, you'll be able to pay and subscribe. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.